top of the courthouse. Right there above, you see the street lamp. Right above the street lamp, that's a helicopter. And it's been loitering as I've been sitting at the bus stop. The entity amplifying the sound of helicopter activity right over the top of the Rancho Cucamonga Superior Court, a group stalker. State surveillance is underway at that courthouse. This is corruption that I'm capturing while the elements of monitoring are underway. This is P.O.C. Monitoring with the people as I'm reading license plates. Stalking with a helicopter. That helicopter is stationary in the sky space in alignment. Monitoring. Posing what is an impermissible threat. I want to be clear, while the police departments are engaging in what is kidnapping, as I've documented. You're witnessing what is public corruption. That's a courthouse, people. They are corrupt. I'm going to remove this courthouse from existence. Alrighty? Engaging in what is creating criminal cases while they're engaged in state surveillance. Yeah, you're going to federal prison. And this is evidence of what is fictitious authority. Those acts of kidnapping that I'm subject to was a matter of documentation. I will not be going to any of those court cases. It's an ongoing entity that already engaged in multiple acts of kidnapping as well. This is evidence as to legal authority that they don't have under the law. And that's a threat to engage in kidnapping, because then while you're engaging in surveillance and stalking, then what, you're going to issue a warrant for my arrest when you're already engaged in what is kidnapping? All right, so understand the significance of the kidnapping that the Upland Police Department engaged in, which were also false allegations pursuant to that kidnapping. But then it's expedited to what is a court that's also exercising fictitious authority. A helicopter has been hovering, remaining. That's a demon that's crossing path monitoring with the entity. This is a venue. All right, that's a threat to your liberty. And I will not be going to any of those court cases where they're on a docket to prosecute, where they're engaged in state surveillance. That's a threat to your liberty, as I document that. While the entity is going to exercise fictitious authority, that's a threat to your liberty. So then you're going to issue a warrant for my arrest, which is still unlawful. The initial arrest is a kidnapping. This is documentation of that. I'm going to be prosecuting them. All right, and that's why I'm publishing what the entity is doing, from the police to the sheriff's department to the courthouse. P.O.C. It is, by the way, 9:35 a.m. The fake sun is directly over me in Pomona, California, directly over me at the Ovid Family Community Library. And this is an impossible occurrence. This is also the pattern of stalking with helicopter. P.O.C.